evening, traders. Tept on here from Breaking Options. It is July 9th, 2021, 5:22 in the afternoon, and we just finished our trading day. I think we had one of our best trading days of the year. And one of the products that we've been trading, just to keep you guys up to date, is we started trading futures actively since I found out more members know how and like to trade futures. I also did a class this week teaching futures, so everyone knew how to trade futures, what was involved. And to be honest, it's a great product because unlike options, there's no theta decay. There's no Lotto Fridays. They're just very simple technical trades. I've been posting on Twitter for about a month futures levels, and they've been producing anywhere from 50 to 100 points a day. And if you don't know Nasdaq Futures, every point is worth $20 to you. So just to give you an idea, this is today. Okay. Posted this morning before the open. Pivot, 14,714. Support, 14,664. Target for the day, 813. What am I looking for? Look to buy the pullback today around Euro close. Pullback came a little before Euro close, actually a lot before Euro close. And just today we have been averaging 80 points a day. And that we have a futures class included so everyone can see it. You could also see on Twitter, I post the same exact chart that you guys just saw. So there's no scams here like other people that edit stuff after the fact. Also, my Twitter room, not my Twitter room, my Discord room where all the members are, they had the same stuff, 842. They get the NASDAQ, they get the ES. Same exact chart, guys, same exact levels. Okay. And I also give them stuff at night sometimes when we're trading. Sometimes we're up at 3 a.m. trading futures. You don't have to be. Futures literally takes one trade a day. So what do we say? If you remember 5 seconds ago, pivot, 14,714. Okay. Obviously, futures open early. We got that pullback that was posted at like 8:30, 8:56, right? Look at that 9:30 right on the bell. We got the pullback. You're looking, right? We also are a big fan of the squeeze, so we are watching the squeeze. This was the easiest trade we ever made, guys. It gets above, starts basing right at the 714. Once we get this candle that closed here on the upside, we took the trade, 10:30 in the trade. What did we do after that? Absolutely nothing. Okay, where did it go? Look at 10:30. We finally hit that target, 813. It obviously went further, but we have our sales set, 813 by 12:30. So in 2 hours, almost 100 points. If you had one contract, that's $2,000. You could do that with a little of $1,000 to make that. Laying out 1,000, not risking 1,000. Margin requirements of $1,000 to take one big boy future contract, and that's 100 points. Very simple trade. Another trade that a bunch of traders made, the ones that actually got up. I'll give you this one without taking the class, but we have the Euro Open trade. For you, those of you that don't know, the European market opens at 3 o'clock. They usually buy up the European market. So you go to a 5-minute chart. I'm not going to switch because it's going to screw up the size. 5-8 crossover, buy it, okay, and then sell it once the momentum dies. What is that good for? A 5-minute chart obviously is going to get you in a lot earlier. You can get into about 14,700, and you'd be out somewhere, worst case, on the close of this candle or the open of this candle. Good for 30 points. What is that in one contract? That's $600. So just wanted to give you guys an update of what we've been doing over here at Breaking Options. We are still trading options actively, but we are trading futures maybe 3-4 times a day, including some late night trading. We're also working out a deal or have a deal worked out with a direct clearing futures clearinghouse because of the amount of traders that are doing this, where you will get special margin rates. So you won't have to lay out the rates that you are getting with Thinkorswim or E-Trade. And that deal is also available to international customers. If you're interested, just click the link in the description below and shoot us an email. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Speak to you later.